In this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe with GoHighLevel. To do this, first gonna open up GoHighLevel and sign into the sub-account that you want to connect Stripe to. From there, you want to go into the Payments tab in the left menu. Here, all the way over in the right, you will see integrations, so click on that. Here you will see all of your providers, so these are payment integrations you can use. Usually at the top you will find Stripe. Just click Connect and click Connect with Stripe. It will then redirect you to the Stripe website. If you already have an account, you can simply go and sign in. If you don't, you will need to create an account. Now, I have already signed in recently, so for me it does it automatically. Then here you can create a new account basically under your account. So for every single business that you have, you would create a separate account, but I'll just select one of these that I already have. So I'll just take this one called YouTube and click Connect. If that account is fully set up with all the details, it will then redirect you back to GoHighLevel and you can now see Stripe. So now Stripe Live mode is enabled and Stripe Test mode is enabled, so you can use both of them. Now if you click on the arrow, you can see your balance and some more details from this account. But basically now if we go back to our integrations, we will now see that the default is set to Stripe and we have now connected Stripe to GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And if you use the link down in the description, you can get an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.